Are you someone who is in their darkest place right now? Not struggling a little, not having a hard week, but genuinely at rock bottom? David wrote Psalm 6 from exactly that place. And what he discovered there will completely change the ways you see your darkest moments. David opens it by crying out to God in a way that takes your breath away. He says, Lord, do not rebuke me in your anger. Have mercy on me, Lord, for I am faint. Heal me, Lord, for my bones are in agony. His bones, not just his heart, his entire being was in anguish. And then he writes something that stops me every time I read it. I am worn out from my groaning. All night long, I flood my bed with weeping and drench my couch with tears. He wept so hard for so long that his bed was literally soaked with tears, and yet he brought every single moment of it to God. He did not go silent, he did not disappear, he did not pretend. He wept, and he wept before God. And that is the first thing Psalm 6 teaches us. God is not afraid of your darkest moments. He is not uncomfortable with your deepest pain. He does not need you to hold it together before you come to Him. You can come to God from the very bottom, weeping, broken, with nothing left, and He will be there for you. And then something remarkable happens in the psalm that shifts completely. The Lord has heard my weeping. The Lord has heard my crying for mercy. The Lord accepts my prayer. Something changed, not in David's circumstances, but in David's certainty. He had been heard, and that knowing changed everything. That is the journey of Psalm 6, from the bottom of the pit to the certainty of being heard. Not because the situation changed, but because God showed up in the darkness and reminded David that he was not alone in it, and he will do the same thing for you. Whatever darkness you are carrying right now, bring it to God, all of it, even the parts that feel too dark to say out loud. He has heard your weeping, He hears your cry, and He accepts every broken prayer you bring to Him. If this encouraged you today, subscribe. Every Thursday, we go through one psalm together. And next Thursday, Psalm 7. Turn on your notification so you do not miss it. Until next time, keep trusting God. He has not forgotten you.